Hello, this is GP for Career Launcher and we are back with Race to 99 for CAT 24. Those of you who have attended Race to 99 Head Start, this is an opportunity for you to look at the next stage. In Race to 99 Head Start, we demonstrated how a paper should be taken. But in Race to 99, the online version, which will happen on 10th and 11th August, will be helping you understand how not only how the paper should be taken, more importantly, we will be teaching you the various tips, various techniques and tricks which you can apply directly in the examination. It will help you eliminate choices. It will help you save time. So the basic jugaad techniques that we talk about all the time, we'll be teaching you as to how to go about doing it, the specific rules for that. Okay. So we'll have 4 different sessions, one each for Quant, DILR, English, in which we will be taught how to apply these methods, and we'll show you how it has been applied in CAT 23 paper, slot 2. In addition to that, we have one extra session which is called the strategy session, which will help you understand how to leverage your strengths and how to go about doing the paper. Now this Race to 99 online will be followed up with a Race to 99 offline session where we'll be again doing Quant and DILR, and here we'll be doing a different paper which is CAT 23 slot 1 paper. In this, what will we do? We'll take the process of Race to 99 online forward, and we'll help you solidify those concepts and apply those concepts in a better manner. So I hope all of you have registered, and if not, please register immediately for Race to 99, and do not forget to choose the center for offline session. You can choose your center for offline sessions. We'll be present in about 25 different cities for the offline session. So all the best and see you soon.